How to fix Roblox Error Code 529. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about a Roblox code error known as Error Code 529, and usually it's going to say we are experiencing technical difficulties. Please try again later. Okay, it's going to be a gray box that it usually gives an error in, and that is what it's going to say. It's going to be a join error that you're going to get while joining a server. It's only going to say we're experiencing technical difficulties. Please try again. So obviously that's an issue that we need to dodge. So to dodge that, you're going to write status.roblox.com. Now the reason that we're going to type this in is because we're going to go ahead and see if there's any server disruption in player join issues. Okay, so we're going to see that right now all systems are operational. There's no issue. There was a service disruption earlier on, but right now it's all good to go. So that means that there's some issue in our network. So what we're going to do here is we're going to come up here and write network connections. So just go ahead and write that. And we're going to go to view network connections. And once you do that, here's going to be different types of networks that you're going to have. Okay. And obviously you're going to troubleshoot any one of them. So obviously in my case, I have this network connection, so I can troubleshoot it pretty easily. I can run a diagnostics on it. I can, check its properties, configure it differently. Obviously, I wouldn't recommend messing with this because the IP4 and stuff should stay the same. But you can obviously come here and click on diagnose. And what this will do is it will find any occurring problems that could lead to the 529 issue, and if this is so, it's obviously going to say that your network has this issue. But if it doesn't give anything, then all you need to do is just restart your internet, restart your browser, and then what's going to happen is that you're going to be easily able to log in to the world of Roblox and then just easily sign everything up for yourself. So yeah, pretty simple and easy things to keep a view up, and yeah, things should be pretty good from there on out. That's how you're going to fix your Roblox error code 529. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.